to stay fit, and how do you inspire the people around you to be fit as well, especially your son Inigo?
Knowing that we only have one life to live, I think that's enough reason for us to stay fit and know that we should be motivated enough to live our lives to the fullest. And with my son, I always just remind him that, you know, you're not here forever, you're not young forever. When you grow old, when you get old, yung mga nakasanayan mo paglaki, yun na yung gagawin mo. So I always encourage him to start young, to start as early as, you know, now that he's still a teenager. And para mas maset na yung mind niya, mas maset na yung katawan niya to, you know, this lifestyle. Kasi for some people, ang gym or ang exercise is a chore. But if you think of it as a lifestyle, as part of your lifestyle, then it doesn't become a chore. Hindi siya mahirap gawin. So yun ang parang, that's how I try to encourage my peers also. And I invite them to like this, and Theology Around. I invite them to our trainings. Maganda kasi yung result, even badminton. Basta anything that I do, I invite my friends to join me so they would realize the benefits of healthy lifestyle.
Okay, thank you, Christoph. Our next question is from Bernie of PEP.
Well said, well said. Kay Piolo, when you say Piolo Pascual kasi, people always say, ang gwapo niya, ang gwapo pa rin niya. First question, vain ka ba? Tapos second question, how do you fight aging?
Sa question of vain, I think I'm vain to a certain extent because it's required sa trabaho natin. Pero hindi ako matagal na maligo, hindi naman ako matagal tumingin sa salamin, hindi ako mapa-makeup na tao, hindi rin ako matagal sa salon. Actually, ayoko nagpupunta sa salon at tatagalan ako pag kailangan magpatina, kailangan magpakupit. So, I just try to live a healthier lifestyle so I won't have to do all that. Kung pwede ka lang magpahaba ng buhok para kasi every 2 weeks kailangan magpagupit dahil lumalabas yung puting buhok mo, di ba? So, nakakatagtag ng oras para mas hindi ko masabi na vain ako eh. Kasi kahit ano lang, okay naman ako eh. So, the other question about aging, sleep. A lot of sleep. I make sure to sleep at least 6 hours, but 8, ideally 8. But as long as I have 6, I know I'm able to recuperate or recover from your work the previous day, and then a lot of water. I drink lots of water the whole day, throughout the day, and positive thinking lang, good vibes lang palagi para iwas sa kunot ng noo.
Parang ako lahat ang pinaligan mo.
Water daw, inom ka ng water.
Water. I drink a lot of water.
Relate water.
Water. Detox water. Lemon, kiwi. A lot.
Okay, next question from MJ Felipe.
Yes,
Hi PJ. PJ, ano lang yung significance ng diabetes sa buhay mo? I mean, do you have a family na merong diabetes or a friend that you know? Or gano'n ka-importante yung pagpili nyo ng... I'm sure you had a decision in, you know, picking yung beneficiary.
Fortunately, wala naman may diabetes sa amin. Wala namang... Actually, yung sister ko, bordering na kasi mataas yung sugar niya. Pero it's an awareness. You know, we always try to come up with causes, and this is a good way to promote, of course, awareness on diabetes. And so I'm one with Sun Life in promoting this because lahat naman prone dito. So kung hindi ka healthy yung lifestyle mo, it's easier for you to contract diabetes.
So yung sister mo, dapat isama mo din sa
Oo, papasan ko siya para lang makatakbo siya. Pero yes, I always invite my family and of course the scholars as well. Every San Theology Run, we have the scholars from Hebrew and the other scholars that we have. They join yung pinaka-short distance, and they also join the program at night. So it's a get-together with all the scholars.
Ang Hebrew is last time mo kanina 9 years na, tama?
More than 9 years. More than 9 years. Hebrew kasi we already have graduates all the way from grade school to college, and marami na rin nagtatrabaho. So we have couple of batches na nakagraduate na rin.
And it's your foundation, may kasama ka?
Yes, it's a Mara Family Foundation.
Family?
Yes.
Thanks, PJ.
Thank you, MJ. Tita Ethel muna tayo. Sorry, Ethel Ramos of Malaya.
Yolo, in this 7 years of this existence of this advocacy, every press ko, fortunately, naimbitahan ako. Pero hanggang ngayon, hindi ko alam kung paano ito nagsimula na napakagandang advocacy.
Since we of course, we want to harp on the wellness issue in the country and living a healthy lifestyle and having a brighter future, knowing that and having that in mind, we want to be able to attract people to live a healthier lifestyle so they can, of course, benefit from the rewards that they're going to have a few years down the line after their insurance is mature. Yung mga policies po nila. So parang ito, kung mas maganda yung lifestyle mo, mas may enjoy mo yung mga ipon mo sa buhay. And with the Sampiology Run, it started out as an exhibit. Actually, we had a calendar, we had a photography exhibit. And since I live a healthy lifestyle, and it's the same, it's in line with what Sun Life is promoting. So, and then we also have the Star Magic artists, the young Star Magic artists, who want to help. So we have to have a run. Kasi naging uso po ito eh. I remember when Coach Pio started the running craze in our country. And then with our triathlete, President CEO, Ms. Riza Mantarin. So pareho po yung interest namin sa sport because it helps you live a healthier lifestyle. So with that, parang mas maganda po na you kinda walk the talk. So it's not just promoting the advocacy but also doing it and showing the people that it can be done. So hindi naman po madaling tumakbo ni Ethel pero the rewards are really parang endless. Mas marami kang matutulungan, makakatulong ka pa sa sarili mo. So it all started with that. So I guess on our 7th year, mas malaki, mas maraming tumutulong. And of course we have Coach Pio as well. So parang maganda po kasi yung ano nila at hikain. So I think, I don't know, Miss Risa has something to add to that. Wala naman ba? Nasabi ko naman, no? Nasabi ko ba? Sa iyo po.
Yung Piolo, I wonder if you get the payment due you as endorser of Sun Life or dinodonate mo na lang ba sa advocacy na ito?
I have an endorsement fee. Pero sa run naman, wala naman pong bayad yun eh. Kasi all the proceeds go to the kids that need, of course, the funds for their tuition fee. So all of us that run do it for free. And kung sino mga mag-register na hindi artista, yun po yung ginagamit namin para pang-sponsor din sa mga scholars.
Hindi, as endorser of Sun Life.
Opo, meron po.
Binibigay mo na lang, dinodonate mo ba ang payment mo?
Hindi naman po. Meron lang sa akin. Meron din sa policy. And I allot a certain percentage of my salary. Sa buong salary ko na po yun. Na dialagi ko po sa foundation.
Thank you. May suggestion lang ako for my last say in this press ko. Kasi kaming mga fellow entertainment writers ko, ang ano namin, ang iniisip, ang pinag-suggestion namin, sana ma-meet namin ang ibang scholars nyo. So we can see for ourselves and listen to them kung ano ang kanilang naging paano nila na natupad ang kanilang pangarap.
Last year, sinabi niyo rin sa run po kasi sila pumupunta, they have classes every day and the bulk of the scholars are from Batangas. Meron pong indigenous barangay doon. We support the kids. So we have to bus them over to Manila pag sa run po. So yung whole day event, that's why we try to invite even the press people to attend because it's a whole day event from the time that we have the run and then the show. All the scholars are just spread out dun po sa lawn. And you can interview them. I just don't know if it's possible to invite them sa press con to hear their testimony. But they always join us sa run. They always join us on the day of the run. Most of them, even they even perform at night. So maybe we can arrange something for the next one for their testimonies.
Kasi magandang isulat. Kaya if you can come out with a magazine, a mini magazine,
Opo.
citing kung ano mga experiences ng mga scholars.
Thank you for that.
Diba? Ang ganda-ganda niya na, and it will be very good for Sunlight.
Opo.
Thank you very much.
Thank you po.
Take it into that.
Yeah.
Our next question is from G. Juliana, of course, the editor of Malaya.
Hi, Piolo. Seem to have drunk from the fountain of youth. May interest ka ba na i-share yung mga regimen mo in a fitness video or a book?
I was supposed to do a fitness book actually, pero hindi po matuloy-tuloy kasi sobrang busy sa trabaho. Pero everything is practical. Everything is practical. You know, like what I said kanina, as long as you sleep regularly, good 6 hours a day, and drink lots of water and think positive. I think if you rule out all those negative thoughts in your head, it will keep you young. And kung puro positibo lang yung iniisip mo, siguro wala tayong baggage kasi nakakadagdag yun sa weight natin. Di ba, Jason?
Yeah, I'm Tito Boy.
Dito ba yun?
So ano ba yung dapat na magiging title? Ano ba yung, was it a book? Is it a book that you're
Yeah. Hindi po materialize kasi nga walang oras. Pero I had talks with a certain publication, hindi lang matuloy-tuloy. Maybe in time. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Before I give the mic to Tito Isa Red, Tita Mercy Lijardo muna tayo.
Hello, Piolo.
Ito, Mercy.
Nice to see you again. Sorry. Hindi, pasweet lang. Hindi, kanina, nasabi mo, napalaki ng palaki. Ang San Piolo Gerardo for 7 years. Malaki rin ba ng palaki? Ang ano mo, yung interest mo sa insurance.
Oo naman po, siyempre habang tumatanda tayo, mas naiisip natin when we retire, saan tayo pupunta, anong gagastusin natin. So it's important for us to think of our future, especially kung yung may iwan natin sa mga pamilya natin pag matanda na tayo. So ako po talaga, every year I make it a point to get, kasi there's a common misconception about insurances, akala nila isang insurance, okay ka na. And that's not enough, it's never enough. Kung meron ka namang may tatago para sa kinabukasan, hindi lang yung sarili mo, kundi pamilya mo, it's practical for us to always get something new. Para mas malaking ipon natin, mas marami tayong magagamit during the rainy days, sabi nga nila.
So yung kinikita mo ng interest dito sa insurance na ito, naidadatnan, kaya ka nagiging hindi film producer, nakakapag-produce ka, di ba?
Hindi po, actually sa totoo lang, mas malaking gasto sa paggawa ng pelikula kasi mas may risk. It's just that I'm really passionate about my craft and I want to be able to, you know, help out other people as well and give them a chance to be in the business. But kung tutusin po, mas abonado pa ako sa pag-produce kesa sa kinikita.
Gano'n?
Opo.
Sige, produce mo niya sa akin kita ka. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Next question, Lency Boma.
Hi, PJ. Sabi ni Coach Rio kanina, yung na-explain niya yung course ng race, may mga obstacles daw. Ikaw sa takbo ng buhay mo, ano yung hardest obstacle na kumbaga...
Hardest obstacle?
Oo.
Kailangan mo matanongin.
Tapos siyempre, nalampasan mo rin.
Okay na, wala naman akong... I don't dwell on things of the past. I mean, for me, I'd rather dwell on what is now and what is positive and what is good. Kasi sa mangdawin pa tayo ng mga pangalan, mangdawin pa tayo ng problema na nagpasa na natin, di ba? So, I'd rather not even discuss about it or talk about it.
Ayan. Of course, si Indigo kasama mo rin bilang endorser ng Sunlight and kasama rin siya dito sa Sun Theology. Nung last time na nakausap ko siya, sabi niya ang parang most memorable bonding yun, moment na daw, yung lang nasa bahay kayo na nag-uusap. Ikaw para sa'yo, ano yung most memorable naman para sa'yo?
Same thing. Because we are able to share anything about our lives pag magkasama lang kami, nasa kama or